Hey there, welcome to Enable Healthcare. Today we're diving into something that's changing the way healthcare works, not years from now, but right now. It's called Remote Patient Monitoring, or RPM for short. Enable Healthcare's RPM solution. Let me show you how all our tech works. We make RPM simple and effective. Our platform gives you AI-powered alerts, so abnormal readings get flagged instantly, and you can customize those alerts for your practice. It also integrates smoothly with your EHR system, so no switching back and forth between platforms. Patient enrollment? Easy. We guide you through identifying eligible patients and train you and your staff on how to easily register the patient through our application. And yes, we handle the billing side. Our tools support accurate coding so you don't miss a beat or a buck. Challenges in RPM. Of course, like anything new, RPM has its challenges. Data security is a big one. We take privacy seriously, and we built the platform with HIPAA compliance at the core. There's also tech adoption. Some patients, and let's be honest, some providers too, might be hesitant. That's why we offer clear onboarding and ongoing support. In rural areas, internet connectivity can be a hurdle, but we work with practices to find practical solutions. RPM shouldn't feel like extra work. We designed it to fit into your routine, not disrupt it. Let's get nerdy for a second and talk billing. Here are the key CPT codes you'll be using for RPM. 99453, that's for getting the patient set up and trained. 99454, this one covers 16 days of transmitted data in a 30-day window. 99457, for the first 20 minutes per month you or your clinical team spend engaging with that data and your patient. 99458, for each additional 20-minute block after that. Understanding these codes means better documentation, cleaner billing, and faster reimbursement. And we help you every step of the way. To wrap things up, remote patient monitoring isn't just a trend. It's a better way to care. It means personalized attention, smarter interventions, and empowered patients, all supported by real-time data and simple tools. With Enable Healthcare, you don't just get a platform, you get a partner. Thanks for watching, and we hope to connect with you soon.